How do I fix iPhone SSL connection issue?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common issue that you might encounter on your iPhone, SSL connection issues. SSL connection issues can prevent your device from accessing secure websites, making it difficult for you to browse the web securely. But don't worry, we have some simple steps you can follow to resolve this issue. So, let's get started.
What is an SSL connection?
SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, is a security protocol used by websites to protect your data as it travels across the internet. It ensures that any data you send is encrypted and can't be intercepted by malicious parties. When your iPhone has an SSL connection issue, it means that it's having difficulty establishing a secure connection to a website, which could be due to various reasons.
Check your date and time settings.
Incorrect date and time settings on your iPhone can cause SSL connection issues. Your iPhone must have the correct date and time because SSL certificates on websites have an expiry date. If your iPhone's date is set to a time after the expiry date of the website's SSL certificate, it will not be able to establish a secure connection. To fix your date and time settings, 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Tap on Date and Time. 4. Make sure that the Set Automatically option is turned on.
Clear your browsing data.
Sometimes, SSL connection issues can be caused by corrupt or outdated data in your browser cache. To clear your browsing data, 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Safari. 3. Tap on Clear History and Website Data. 4. Confirm your action by tapping Clear in the pop-up that appears.
Update your iPhone.
Outdated software can also cause SSL connection issues. To update your iPhone, 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on General. 3. Tap on Software Update. 4. If there's an update available, tap Download and install. And that's it. We've gone through some simple steps that you can follow to resolve SSL connection issues on your iPhone. Remember, maintaining the security of your online activity is important, and ensuring that your device can establish secure SSL connections is a big part of that. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.